This is the Covert Instruments instructional video for the Easy Loader and CI pinning tweezers. In this video, we will provide an example of repinning a lock using these tools so that you know how to utilize them to their fullest potential. In this example, we will take a standard mortise cylinder, which is typically easy to open with rake picks such as those found in the Genesis set, and upgrade the driver pins with security pins to make it more difficult to open. The first step is getting the lock open. Once we have the lock open, we can remove the tailpiece on the back of the lock by taking out the two screws holding it in. After the tailpiece is removed, we will make sure that the keyway is oriented 90 degrees from the locked position and grab our Easy Loader. Ensuring that the lips of the Easy Loader are in line with the driver pins, we will push the Easy Loader through the cylinder, capturing the driver pins inside the housing and removing the plug in one motion. Be careful to keep the lock oriented such that the key pins do not fall out of the plug when doing so. Now that we have the housing separated from the core, we can orient the spring-loaded ball bearing in line with the chambers and grab a set of pinning tweezers. The Covert Instruments pinning tweezers come in two forms: the standard grip, which closes when squeezed, and the reverse grip, which opens when squeezed. To start the repinning process, we will use the pinning tweezers to push the Easy Loader into the keyway, popping the ball bearing detent into the second chamber, thus allowing the first key pin to come out. We will continue to push the Easy Loader down the housing, pin stack by pin stack, until all driver pins are removed. Once we have removed all of the pins, it's time to insert our upgraded security pins. This part of the process is where the Easy Loader really shines. The shape of the feed lips makes loading pins simple, as the notched end aligns the pins directly with the pin stack. All that's left to do is push the pin into the chamber and advance the Easy Loader with your finger. Once all pin stacks have been populated, we reverse the process of disassembly to reassemble the lock. We orient the feed lips of the Easy Loader in line with the pin chambers and push the housing straight back through in a smooth fashion. Once it's relocked and the tailpiece is reinstalled, we have a fully upgraded mortise cylinder which is much more resistant to raking style attacks. Thank you for purchasing a Covert Instruments Easy Loader and pinning tweezer set, and we hope that you find great enjoyment in the practice and development of your new skill.